Hey mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're well and I hope you're having a great day. Today we are not on the racing green. We're on the Cooper S and Mark is going to fit a headline in with his daughter. Now before anyone asks, it's a headline in from Newton Commercials and they are very difficult to fit. So it's the vinyl headlining. The later headlining that they fitted on the MPI minis was cloth and it is much more forgiving. The earlier one, they are not easy to fit. So the good news is it's the Easter holiday, so that's why a video is going out on the Friday night. The great news is there'll be another video on the Sunday on the racing green, so look out for that one. I will catch you again soon.
Right, so the first problem is the rods in the old headlining. They've rusted and they've adhered to the actual lining. So I'm just gonna try and get all them off and then put them on the new one.
You have tried to bring me down. One time, two times, too many. I've been lost but now I'm found, and I'm not taking it again. So I won't let you stay ahead, stay ahead. I'm leading, not gonna pay defense. Oh, I won't run all this time, I won't. No, I won't. I will fight back, stay back on my own. You cut like life, but can't break a diamond. You are a beast, but I am a hunter. You held me down, but I'm a convert. You stole my life, but I am thunder. You cut like ice, can't break a diamond. You are a beast, but I am a hunter. You held me down, but I am a climber. You stole my life, but I am thunder. I am thunder. I am thunder. I am thunder. You stole my life, but I am thunder, thunder. You have tried to bring me down. One time, two times, too many. I've been lost but now I'm found, and I'm not taking it again. So I won't let you stay ahead, stay ahead. I'm leading, not gonna play defense. No, I won't run all this time, I won't. No, I won't. I will fight back, stand back on my own. So I won't let you stay ahead, stay ahead. I'm leading, not gonna play defense. No, I won't run all this time, I won't. No, I won't. I will fight back, stand back on my own. You cut like life, but can't break a diamond. You are a beast, but I am a hunter. You held me down, but I'm a climber. You stole my life, but I am thunder. You cut like ice, can't break a diamond. You are a beast, but I am a hunter. You held me down, but I am a climber. You stole my life, but I am thunder. I am thunder. I am thunder. I am thunder. You stole my life, but I am thunder, thunder.
Right, so what we've just been doing on the floor is this is the bit that goes on the rear, below the rear screen. When I fitted these before, I didn't actually realise the piece was cut to a curve, so I've just kind of tried fitting it and it's just been a bit of a pain. So I've obviously marked up from the old one and I've just put these cuts through the top because that is where it sort of meets the screen. And then it was a bit of a nightmare. It's there, it's trying to get the bars to sit upright. They keep wanting to fall down and fall backwards, and but predominantly they do kind of go against the roof almost. So the creases that were in that will come out of that by next week, because it'll just settle. Whereas I've not fully stretched it, but it's stretched enough just to sort of pull any creases and that out. So once I've got that fitted in, then I can get the get underneath the windscreen done. Sorry, rear screen. The two B pillars, the C pillars and the B pillars. Sorry, the A, the B, and the C pillars, and also this part of the dash. Right, welcome back. So I put the headline in to get it stretched, and I left that for a week. So I've been back on it this morning, and rather than film it, keep stop-starting because there was issues, I just wanted to be relaxed, just take my time on it. It actually took me about 3 hours to do. The ones I've done before on the ERA, and what else I do it on? I can't remember the other one. Kit was all right. You know, it was passable, but there was little bits I wasn't really happy about. So I just wanted to take my time on that. I'd say it's perfect. It is done, which I'll show you in a minute. And then what I'm also going to do today, which I probably will film, I've started, but I'm going to do the top dash rail and the two A pillars in a black vinyl. I've got the old ones as templates, and it's a little bit fiddly, so I may have to turn you off now and again, but and I think then I can get, once that's done, I can get the binnacle in, and I've also sort of pre-fitted the rear, I don't know, the C pillars maybe, the rear parts. Yeah, good check. Sorry, yeah, I don't know whatever these are for. So I've pre-fitted them. Because they obviously, when you look at them, they're kind of bent to the shape of the car, and the ones that come are flat. So I've had to, and on the new ones, these are slightly thicker in profile, so I've had to sort of, and they've obviously got cardboard inside, so I've had to sort of just manipulate the cardboard around these areas, just to sort of give it a little bit of a fold. So I've done that, and I've just put them in positions now and clipped them, and then I'll leave them till next weekend, just so they sort of get a bit of shape to them. Sorry. So yeah, I'll just show you what I've been, what the headlining looks like, and then I'll then film after lunch the dash rail. Right, so that's the roll of vinyl I was given. Obviously I've cut 5 inches off of that. So there's enough to do the B pillars, so the A pillars, and there's probably enough to do the B pillars, but it didn't have it on, so I'm not sure whether I'm going to do that. Right, so roof lining. I don't know how well you're going to see this once the video comes out. I've got as much light in here as possible, but the issues I had in on the ERA was over in the rear corners. I couldn't get the creases out, and it sort of bunched up a little bit, but yeah, I'm well happy with that. Obviously it's a bit messy there, but I've got the black vinyl to go up to the roof on that. I think the last time I did this, I was just trying to rush it too much, but it's definitely worth taking your time on it. So that's once they've sort of shaped themselves, they'll actually fit better than the original ones did. Obviously I've put the bit along the bottom of the window, and then you can kind of see where I've creased that there, and on that one there. So yeah, alright. So what I've done, with the dash rail, I've used the old one as a template, and it's obviously it's always difficult because that has got a curve to it, and the vinyl's been cut straight. So what I've done temporarily is just glued that piece on there, and then what I'm going to do is fold that back, get that all stuck down there, and then just kind of work my way to the next vent. Obviously I've got to try not to have creases in it, so yeah, we'll see how that goes. that is done. So probably get a better look at the headlining from here. Looks good. I'm very, 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 very happy with that. Just got to put the interior light on. And then obviously all the door rubbers, window rubbers. And then always looks a bit messy in the corners just because of the way the bodywork's shaped, but it's all tight. And it actually looks a darn sight better than it did when I took the stuff I took off. I took some photos beforehand and it was not great. So yeah, so obviously I've got the mist vents going on there, which I'll just grab one. They go on there like that. So what I am going to do is just cut off a little bit of the vinyl and just put it on either side, so basically lap it over that bit that sticks out of the vent, just so it's black, and then I can put the mist vents on. Obviously an ashtray goes in there, but I don't use that, and obviously I've got a heated front screen. I will change these to black ones, same as the earth over there. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching. See you on the next one.